Welcome to EIC Chapter 8, Intercultural Conflict. In this chapter, we explore the challenges that arise from cultural differences and their impact on interactions. Let's begin our journey into understanding intercultural conflict. Intercultural conflict has unique characteristics that set it apart from conflicts within the same culture. Recognizing these qualities is essential for understanding and addressing the complexities involved. Conflict is expressed through both verbal and nonverbal communication, often revealing underlying tensions. It arises due to mutual influence, where one party's actions affect the other. Perceptions shaped by culture and personal experience play a significant role in how conflict is understood and escalated. Conflict frequently stems from incompatible goals, scarce resources, and unmet needs between parties. Intercultural conflicts are marked by ambiguity, stemming from complex cultural layers and diverse values. High-context cultures rely on indirect communication, while low-context cultures prefer explicit verbal exchanges. Individual behaviors can vary widely within cultural groups, making general norms insufficient for predicting conflict responses. Awareness of cultural values and communication styles is crucial for effectively framing, blaming, and resolving intercultural conflicts. Communication plays a central role in conflict, shaping how disagreements are expressed and resolved. The way we communicate can either escalate or help resolve conflict, especially across cultures. Misunderstandings often arise from differences in language pragmatics rather than grammar. Pragmatic transfer occurs when native speech patterns are applied to a second language, leading to perceived rudeness or insensitivity. Cultural values such as Persian charmandegy influence language use and can be misunderstood. Differences in tone and intonation, as seen in East Asian workers' interactions, further complicate communication. Ethnocentrism amplifies misunderstandings by fostering unrealistic expectations and judgments. Conflict styles differ across cultures. Direct approaches value clear communication, while indirect approaches prioritize harmony. Expressive cultures display emotions openly, whereas restrained cultures favor controlled interactions. Hammer's inventory divides conflict styles into discussion, engagement, accommodating, and dynamic categories. For example, Northern Europe favors discussion, Mediterranean cultures prefer engagement, East Asia uses accommodating, and the Middle East and India favor dynamic styles. Effective conflict management requires strategic approaches tailored to cultural values and the nature of the disagreement. Understanding and applying appropriate strategies is key to resolving intercultural conflicts productively. Destructive conflict is marked by negative attitudes, escalation, power struggles, and polarization. Productive conflict narrows the issues, seeks mutual satisfaction, and encourages cooperative problem-solving. Competitive conflict escalates rigidity and poor communication, reinforcing blame. Cooperative conflict builds trust, flexibility, open communication, and joint commitment to resolution, fostering more positive outcomes. Conflict resolution styles reflect cultural values, with individualistic cultures favoring directness and assertiveness, and collectivistic cultures prioritizing harmony and indirect methods. Effective cross-cultural resolution involves mediation, indirect messaging, perspective-taking, and flexibility. Recognizing these influences helps select suitable strategies for positive outcomes. Face negotiation theory examines how face, or social image, influences conflict interactions. Understanding how cultures approach face helps explain the dynamics of intercultural conflict and its management. Face includes self-face, other face, and mutual face, reflecting personal and relational self-images in conflict. Individualistic cultures prioritize self-face and direct conflict, while collectivistic cultures focus on other face and indirect methods. Face work involves mindful listening, reframing, and collaborative dialogue to restore social identity. Understanding face reduces misunderstandings, fosters respect, and promotes positive intercultural relationships. Conflict serves as a catalyst for change, prevents stagnation, and stimulates curiosity. It helps define group identities and fosters belonging. Intercultural conflict reveals cultural differences, promoting empathy and awareness. By viewing conflict as an opportunity for growth, individuals can build more inclusive and respectful relationships.